Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to generate a random number and we're going to check if that number is an odd number or an even number. So I'm going to create a subroutine called generate random. Okay, so that's our subroutine. Just pop that back there, and I'm going to print out a message, and this is going to tell the user what's going to happen. Generating random number between, let's say, 1 and 10. So we're going to generate a random number between 1 and 10, and that's a new line character there for you. So we're going to create a scalar variable called random for random number. We're going to assign it to int, which is integer, and we're going to use rand here to generate the random number, and then we're just going to put a 10 in here to generate a random number between 1 and 10. Okay, now we're going to come on to a conditional statement. So if the random number this is going to be modulus 2 is equal to 0. So if we divide this number and there's nothing left over, it's going to be an even number. So let's just bring that down there and make it look a little bit nicer. Then if it is an even number, we're going to print to the user the number that we generated, which is random, and a message is even. Okay, or else. If that's not the case, it can only be one other thing. So it's got to be odd, hasn't it? So if it's not even, it's got to be an odd number. So we shall tell the user there, and we shall show them the number as well for proof. Print scalar random is odd, and then a new line. Okay, all we have to do now is to simply save it and call the program. So generate, whoa, kitty cats come to say hello. Say hello to everybody, Felix. Let me get on with this. Hey, come here. Sorry about that, folks. That was Felix the cat. So generate random, a little bit of a typo there, so let's just assign that. So let's run it again. Okay, generating a random number. Let me just increase the size for you. Generating a random number between 1 and 10, 3 is odd. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, run it again. Okay, so there we go. We've got another one. 1 is odd. I'm after an even number here. So 0 is even. Oh dear. I've got 0. I didn't mean to do that. So I should have... yeah, okay. So it's counted from 0 to 10. Okay, let's generate another one. 7 is odd. And another one. 7 is odd. And 1 is odd. I keep getting odd numbers here. 1 is odd, 1 again. 4 is even. We've got an even number there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.